So I've already put the bike on the stands. See, I'm going to be doing the full titanium Acra Evolution GP exhaust today. I figured I'd give it one last start as a straight piped bike. So I'll have to let it idle for a minute because I haven't started it in a couple weeks. And that's the last it'll ever be a straight pipe bike. Alright, so after getting all the titanium colored last night and everything put in, I had two headers that weren't seated properly. It had been a long day, so I gave up with the exhaust leak. Got home from work today, untightened a couple bolts, took a rubber mallet, popped it right into place. So, quick little preview of the coloring of the titanium into the Evolution GP exhaust, and now the first start with the 2018 R6 and the Evolution GP exhaust.